Hi, I'm Kyle, and I'm here to tell you about all the properties of water that make it a unique substance to other substances.
And I'm Rachel.
You missed your cue.
Anyways, so the first property of water is cohesion and adhesion.
And the second property is that it has the universal solvent.
But third, it's when it turns into ice, the density actually gets lower, so it floats.
And the fourth is it has a high specific heat.
And fifth
And the fifth is that it has a high heat of vaporization. Sorry.
It's okay.
Get up. Water's property of cohesion causes the positive ends of the hydrogen to bond with the negative side of the oxygen due to weak hydrogen bonds that can be broken easily.
Kyle, scissor me.
Look how easy that was.
But with cohesion, they go right back together as soon as they're next to each other.
Adhesion is the property of water that allows H2O to hydrogen bond to other surfaces, such as this TV.
Kyle, I told you not to spill water on the TV. Now it's broken.
Cohesion and adhesion are also what makes it possible for transpiration to occur, as water molecules can stick to each other, and they also can stick to the side of the xylem vessels when they travel from the ground up through the plant to the leaves.
I don't think you're too good at watering your plants.
I think it's dead.
Polarity makes water a good solvent because the polar H2O molecules surround positive and negative ions. So as you can see, the negative oxygen attracts to the positive sodium ion because this part is negative. However, if you continue over here to a negative chloride ion, you can see the water is also attracted to it because it likes the positive part of the water molecule. However, some substances are hydrophobic and nonpolar, such as oil, and they're not attracted to water at all.
Oil, come back!
Chestnut doesn't like water. Chestnut doesn't like anything. Now the cool thing about water is that its density decreases as it freezes and it expands by 9%, making it able to float above liquid water.
I'm liquid water, and I sink.
Now let's turn down the temperature just a tad.
Now I'm ice, and I float. Water has a high specific heat, so it takes a lot to change my temperature from a cool 50 degrees to get me angry or heated up. Still 50 degrees. I'm alright. I'm cool.
Kyle.
You know, you're changing my temperature to like a 51. No, still pretty cool. Maybe we're up to 60?
I just want to get you mad.
It's really tough. I have a high specific heat.
Water also has a high heat of vaporization. This means that a cool liquid takes a really long time to turn into a heated up gas.
I'm a cool liquid.
And now it's time to turn up the heat.
3 hours later.